Hi everyone, you're watching Go Play Sandwell and this is another week of Super Sundays. Now this week we're going to be making friendship bracelets. I really love friendship bracelets as not only can you give them to everybody you love, but they only take a very few amount of resources. All you need is yarn, string, wool, scissors and something nice and heavy to tie on your wool.
Moving on to the basics of making the bracelet. So as you can see, for the basic knot we make a shape like the number 4, and with our dominant string, which mine is the pink one, I've pulled it up and pulled it tight. And now what I like to do is that I like to knot these twice so I get a more defined colour in my bracelet. And as we go along, you'll do this to each colour and just carry on with the plait. With the basic knot we just learned, you can make something like this. This is one I made with 8 strands. However, today we will be making a 4-strand bracelet. As you can see, I chose my favourite colours. I got 2 pinks and 2 purples and my trusty scissors. And don't forget the water bottle, just so we can tie it on so it stays nice and sturdy. Now what I want you to do is measure each string as long as your arm, so we have a decent bit to work. And now we've got all our 4 colours at the same length, we can knot it at the top and get ready to do our 4 shape knots to start our bracelet off. And here with our 4 shape knot, I'm doing 2 of those and then switching along the strings to make sure that we progress and can cover all of the colours and start building up our pattern. So what you need to do is just gradually build up your bracelet knots and you'll see your bracelet start to take form. As you can see, I've time-lapsed this as it took me quite a while. It took me around 40 minutes, but lucky for you, you'll be able to see the final results a lot sooner than I did.
So I hope you enjoyed that activity and I'm going to turn this into a keyring and give it to my best friend. See you next week. Bye!